Hey everybody, it's Brian, cruising with the Coachmen, and I am here today with the Apex Nano 228BHS. This is a great family rig. Let's start here in the outdoor kitchen. So we've got a nice space here, some good storage, USB-C and regular USB, and power outlets in here, and of course the fridge and the griddle. On the back end, we've got the bumper storage, spare tire, and its backup camera prepped. Up on the front end, we've got the manual tongue jack, just like on all the other Nanos, and 2 propane tanks. And of course, the whole thing has solar on top and is ready to go. There's a new inverter prep in the pass-through. So when you're ready to upgrade your solar, all you have to do is connect that inverter. This unit has dual axle tires, and of course, it's got the all-right stairs that fold up into the unit. Before we take a look inside, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like so you can see more of our Apex and remote tours on YouTube, plus follow along on all the rest of our adventures. All right, this is a bunkhouse model, so let's start back here in the bunk. We've got double bunks, which are really nice. Lots of space in here. Privacy curtain to give the kids a little bit of privacy back here. Plus this bottom bunk will fold up, so you've got plenty of room for storage, bikes, kayaks, dog crates, whatever else you can put in here. Our kitchen space is huge. Take a look at this gigantic countertop. So that is kind of unusual in a shorter family coach like this. We've got good storage up above. This is one big cabinet. We've got good storage down below. Here's the sink, a couple of drawers, and another cabinet down here. Dual burner stove, convection microwave oven, 12-volt refrigerator, and this thing is also huge. Plenty of space in here to get enough food for the whole family for a weekend or for a whole week's trip. Let's check out the bathroom. A very spacious bathroom, honestly. So toilet test here, plenty of elbow room because of the way the toilet is oriented. Good knee space also. Bowl sink. Notice the new decor features all of these gold fixtures. A little bit of storage up above in the medicine cabinet and below the sink. Our shower has a tub, which is a nice feature. Not a lot of height in the shower. I'm 6 foot and I've got maybe 2 inches of clearance here. So this one's a little bit tight on the shower height, especially if you're taller. And we do still have those upgraded gold fixtures. Moving up here to the front end of the rig, there's a nice booth dinette, storage underneath, plenty of room for the whole family to sit here together for a meal. And from the dinette, we've got a clear view of the TV. This TV is also on an arm, so it could swing out to go this way if you're spreading out. It'd be a little tough to see it from the bunk, but it just gives you a little bit of options on the TV set. While I'm over here, by the way, there's some more storage over here. This is a huge storage area on this side, so there's plenty of room for everything you're gonna need. The other thing I really like about this coach is the fact that the main bedroom is completely separated off from everything else. So if the kids are going to bed but you're staying up, you can come in here and close the door, have the TV on in here, or vice versa. Here in the bedroom, we've got a queen mattress, large under the bed storage space here. These wardrobes are pretty spacious, and all of them now have this shelf that can be moved out. So you can use shelf storage or you can use hanging storage. There's power outlets and USB outlets on both sides of the bed for devices that you need to charge or plug in. And we've got a big storage cabinet up above that goes all the way across the whole nose of the RV. This Stargazer window is still an option, so you can get it with or without. You might see it either way on the showroom floor, and if they don't have what you want, ask for the other. I love these Stargazers. They've got a screen to keep the bugs out. There's a blackout blind on the other side to keep the heat out or the sunlight out, and it's a great addition to your rig. There's also a TV backer on this wall, so you can add a TV right here if that's something you're interested in. Another nice feature on this unit is the big windows. So we've got plenty of windows on the camp side of the RV so you can see what's going on. There's 2 more big ones in the kitchen, and they have blackout blinds. Everything has been upgraded to roller blackout blinds now also. So these are some great features that you're gonna see. Thanks for watching this video. Again, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and we'd love to see you out on the road taking your next adventure.